Who else is in that pool with you? Swimming? Okay. How you doing? Tell everybody your name. Denise, see? And who is this?
Come on, give me your tape. Come on.
What's your name?
Watch me swim
And then there's Tiger. Get down, Tiger.
Grandpa, watch me swim underwater.
Okay, I'm gonna see you. Whoa, that was pretty good. That was pretty good. I'm gonna catch you again, okay? Oh, that was good. Tell the camera bye.
Bye.
Who's winning?
What you doing?
Whoa, he missed that. You guys don't want the basketball?
It's over the fence.
It's over the fence already?
Nah, no.
Well, that's probably even better though. Whoa, that's pretty good, man. Oh man, the ball player. A volleyball, basketball player.
Don't miss the dookie spot on his shirt.
Hey, shut up.
Zoom in.
Nobody wants you.
I am the life of the party. You know what? I'm gonna have to stop playing with you.
Oh, he made that?
I'm not going back in the pool.
Why not?
Because he's scared, too cold.
It's too cold? Okay.
It's too cold.
Hey, how you doing, guy?
How you doing?
Oh, okay. Didn't mean to get you on camera like that. I didn't even know you was here, man.
I know.
Yeah, what's your name?
Lawrence.
Lawrence.
Oh.
Go there and I'll take a picture of you. Boy, look at the people. Whoa, kids. Where we get all these kids from?
I'm Brianna, the Supergirl.
Supergirl. Okay.
I'm an assistant. I'm a swimming.
And you're swimming? And you're what? A sister?
She has I'm an assistant.
Oh, you're the assistant.
Okay, now let's go like this.
Okay. Okay. Wait, Mama, you have to get out there and let me take a picture
Look
of you.
at us. Get all the girls.
See?
Can you get in front of us? Get in front. Maya, you.
Okay.
Maya, get in front. Get right here. And we're gonna do it.
What are y'all gonna do? Oh, y'all doing a little dance,
Do the
huh?
worm. Do like this. Do your arms like that. Do it.
Whoa. Okay, Mama.
And you get out. Now you gotta get out. And then
Okay.
Come on, I'll go back in. I am my friend.
Pick up the towel. Pick up the towel. So Tiger won't get it.
Don't do that.
Y'all enjoying y'all stay here in Sacramento?
Yeah, so far.
So far, so good. That better be in that what you call it? Van on the way back to Texas in that hot heat. But y'all gonna be all right. Y'all young. You can survive. All right. Who get in the pool? You get in the pool?
How many times burn up?
You what?
Burn.
You gonna do what?
Yeah, when I catch on fire. And then I'm gonna get right in, straight in that pool, swim, and
Nah.
Hey, you people go back in the pool. Oh, I can go out.
Put your shoes on the table. Don't get in there with your shoes on. Come on, baby.
Be careful.
Whose birthday?
I said there's bees right there. I have to be careful.
What bees?
The bees back there.
They ain't gonna hurt me.
Why?
Cause I'm a bee killer.
Because you have one of those little bee things.
I can kill bees.
Aren't you guys not cold?
Brianna, why are you asking them that as much as you stay in the pool? I'll be asking her the same thing. Oh, I ain't go. Okay, I'm running out of battery time. Okay, well, we'll see.